Suspension is one of the most critical areas of a towing vehicle. It looks after the load that's being put onto the vehicle by the caravan and also the handling dynamics of the system. In this episode, we're going to be looking at two different suspension packages on our light and our heavy build Dmaxes. On this light built Dmax, we've opted for TJM struts and coils. Because this vehicle's fitted with an aluminium bull bar, we wanted to go for a slightly lower rate coil spring to allow us to optimise the ride. On this vehicle, we are restricted in the payload we can put in the car due to the fact we're towing a particularly heavy caravan. Now, because of that, we haven't put a really heavy set of leaf springs in the back, because it means when we're unloaded, we're always going to have a pretty rough ride. We've got a lighter leaf pack in the back of this, but we're still getting a bit of lift out of it. To account for the difference in weight, we've got some Airbag Man helper springs fitted to this, and that will allow us to account for that big difference between empty and full. And those can be inflated pretty simply by using the valves on the back of the car. On our heavy build, we were targeting to get a bit more payload. So in this vehicle, we fitted a Pedders GVM upgrade kit. This is an entire suspension solution designed to increase our payload by using heavier duty leaf springs and foam cell shocks to match. Up the front of the Pedders GVM upgrade kit, we've also got heavy duty springs matched to the bull bar weight and foam cell shocks to control them. Pedders GVM upgrade kits are federally approved. As this particular Dmax was already registered here in Queensland, we had to go through a modification plate system. Here at the Cruisemaster Towing Performance Centre, we've got 2 engineers that are accredited to do this work, so you know that it's all been done correctly. Our next episode is all about increasing the performance of our Dmaxes. So if you're interested in flash tuning exhaust and snorkels, be sure to check it out.